in front, tapos you need to introduce yourself.
Bakit ko picture ako dito?
Introduce yourself.
Memorize lang, Ethan!
Okay, male category, contestant number 1. Dili ka mo,
Golda, dito ka! Golda! Golda, dito.
Tubangan.
Ay. Ay, hindi niya po.
Tubangan. Linya.
Ay, by pair.
By pair. Dali mo, tubangan. Okay. I call up contestant number 1 from the main category.
Ali, Ate Joy, compress. Video.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Montaire Ibrahim representing Single 1, Single 2, Single 3, Singapore. Singapore, for nice reaction. I'm question. If you are a researcher, how would you become a chicken? If you are a researcher, how would you become a chicken? Porque Okay, thank you for the wonderful answer. Contestant number 1 from the female category. Miss Golda.
KG1. KG2.
Welcome Vanessa and Mercado from Japan.
Okay, for your question, Miss Golda, for your question, how do you kill a peacock? How do you kill a peacock?
So how do you kill? How do you kill a peacock? Peacock is the that is the thing that you hold like this.
I would feel like that.
You swallow it and you swallow it. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the wonderful answer. Contestant number 2 from the main category. Where you all sit. Diva! Okay. Here's your question. Kung ikaw ay magmamahal, magkano? Kung ako ay magmamahal, ako ay walang kwenta. Dahil ako ay nagmamahal. I thank you! The second, not the third. The second. For the women category, contestant number 2, Joe.
South Korea.
Saan na pa rin?
Tala, siya. Hindi sa kanya, hindi sa'yo, sa kanya.
Hindi sa'yo,
Oy, habay.
Unang katanungan. May pangalawa ba?
Nabayan, ganito.
If you are a thing,
Sir, Tagalog, please.
kung ikaw ay
Isang bagay.
thing,
Good.
kung ikaw ay something na may ano ka, bang
Mulan! Hong Kong.
Bisa mo ka? Okay, thank
Repeat the question.
Sign language na.
Michael, the third contestant from the main category, Miss Sexiest Man Alive.
I am Alison Nagtigan. Achieve Boulevard, yo!
The first and the only question. Kung ikaw ay isang Kung ikaw ay isang hayop, bakit ikaw ay hippopotamus?
Wala kailang hipo. Wala kailang. Elepante. Elephant. Elephant sa dagat.
Meron po yung question.
Dahilan daw. Another question.
Kung ikaw ay, tanong, kung ikaw ay si Ali,
Bakit ka ba?
kung ikaw ay isang hayop, bakit ka isang hippopotamus?
Before I answer the question,
Tawa ka ng daw pa.
ang hippopotamus ko ay isang kilitong hayop tulad ko. Di na yan mawawala sa aming breeds. That's all. Achieve Boulevard, yo!
Thank you. Sino ba ang answer?
Dagan kayo. Yeah.
For the last contestant of this afternoon's pageant, ladies and gentlemen, galing pa ang Caloocan, ang may deep to roses, burgers to the labels. Very anti-limolic stuffing. Stomach high stuffing.
Ay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Carla Silva.
Gani mo. Tiyo mo lang. Laro ka ba? Kulila?
Versus 没有牛，也牛牛，牛牛。
Anong tanong?
Oh, tapos na lang.
What is the spirit of 29?
Sintak sa error.
Oh yeah, I want is my love. Come here, over here, my love.
Pangalawang tanong, second question. How deep is your love